Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the YarnYay by Vickie Howell October 2023 box. I wanted to remind you to please give this video a like, make sure that you are subscribed, and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I will also have a link in the description box so that you can purchase this box if you should so choose. And if it's your first box, I'll have the code, I believe it's first YarnYay or first Yay. I'll make sure to put it in the description box for you to use that code at checkout to get 15% off your first order. So if you don't know about these boxes, there's different subscriptions. You can get 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, a year at a time. Depending on how you do it, you get discounts, and the more you purchase, the more of a discount you get. You can also just buy a single box to try it. She also now has seasonal boxes. So there's winter boxes, fall boxes, autumn boxes, spring boxes, etc. Summer boxes. So take a look at her website, as there's a lot going on that channel. And one of the things that I love the most about her boxes is that you're not just getting yarn and a pattern. First of all, you're getting 2 patterns. You're getting a knit version and a crochet version of that pattern so that you can do either or both. And then you also get extras in that box, and all of the extras support women-run businesses. So as usual, there's always some beautiful paper covering the box, and that generally gives a hint as to the theme of what's going on in this box. So this box is called Textured Wrist Warmers, and there were 2 different types of yarns. I might actually go and purchase the green one because I really love that shade of green that they had, although this is a gorgeous orange. And I'm not an orange person, but I do love this burnt orange shade. And this is gorgeous yarn. This is really squishy. It is 100% natural, sustainable fibers, and it's a mixture of wool and alpaca, and it's called Spill the Tea, and it's 100 grams, 150 meters, or 164 yards, and you always get enough to make whatever the project is in the box. And they also give you alternate patterns. So in addition to the physical pattern, there's also, I don't think I've ever mentioned this before, there's also a digital pattern that comes with it. And then the digital pattern might give you other options for patterns. So you can see here that the crochet pattern, let me see if I can find a better picture for you. So here's the crochet pattern, and it has these little eyelet windows for you to see. And then the pattern of the gloves, it's a knit pattern. It's a broken rib pattern, and it also has another different pattern here. So there's actually 2 knitting patterns in that. Yeah, you can see it better here. So here is the, I'm not sure which stitch that is. So there's a twisted rib. I called it broken rib, so I guess it's really a twisted rib, and then whatever this stitch is. Let's see if she says. I'm not seeing it offhand, but I can tell by looking at it that there's 2 different patterns on there. And then I know that there was also a scarf pattern that was an optional pattern as well. Okay, now we get to the extras. These are adorable. So these are snag-free stitch markers, and as you can see, they're shaped like little kitties. So there's 4 of them, 2 silver and 2 gold. And you can use them for knitting by sliding them onto your knitting needles, or for crochet by putting them through your stitches, wrapping the tail of the cat through your stitches. These are super cute. And this is Felted Sky, and I believe this is a pumpkin pattern to needle felt, and I do needle felting. Yep, single pumpkin kit, and it's to make these little pumpkins. This is really cute. So you get the fiber. Oh, they actually give you the ball. Okay, they give you felting needles, which is really nice, and they've already felted the ball to get you started, which is really nice of them to do. So that's super nice. And you're basically just covering, here's the little stem, and then you're basically just covering that ball with the orange, and I guess using this to make the little indentations in the pumpkin. That's really cute. So I'm familiar with needle felting, so I know exactly how to do this. And I've actually made pumpkins of my own. In fact, hang on one second and I'm going to show you the pumpkins that I made. For you, it'll be seconds. I have to go and get them. Okay, I'm back, and these are the pumpkins that I made. I needle felted these myself before I knew anything about this. So just to share with you some of the needle felting that I've already done. And I've made a few other things. I've made things for my parents, and I have a little deer, and I made a basket weaving wires together, and I used polymer clay to make apples. In fact, that's right over here. I'll get that for you. So here's the little deer that I made, and here's the basket. And I just used, I think it was like floral wire or something. I forget now what I used. Or no, I just used thin rope, and I guess it was regular wire. I don't even remember now how I did it. And then I made these little apples out of polymer clay. And I gave a set to my mom, and I made a set for myself. So just one of the many things that you can do with fiber. It's just amazing what people come up with, and you know, it's really a great hobby. So just to share that with you, and obviously the whole purpose of this was to share Vickie's box with you. So I hope that you enjoyed this. And again, I'll leave the information for you to get your own box down below in the description box. And let me know if you have any questions. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.